The 13th question says, find the equation of circle passing through 0, 0 and making intercepts A and B on the coordinate axis. Okay, making intercepts A and B on the coordinate axis. Now what does that tell me? Okay, the circle passes through the point 0, 0 in this manner. This is origin 0, 0 and makes an intercept A on the x-axis and B on the y-axis. A and B on the coordinate axis means first intercept A is on the x-axis, the second intercept B is on the y-axis. This is A, 0. This is 0, B. These are the points. That's what we have, right? A could be negative and this circle could lie in this particular way. B could have been negative, so circle could have lied, the center could have lied here, the center is this, the center could have lied in this or any of these quadrants depending upon the signs of A and B. But the signs will take care of themselves. Why worry about the signs from now only? The signs will take care of themselves. We can directly solve using this A, 0 and 0, B and get the equation of circle in terms of A and B. Let's try to do that. Equation of circle passing through this and making intercepts A and B on the coordinate axis. Let the equation of circle be, x minus h square plus y minus k square is equal to r square. Now this particular method we are using as per the NCERT. Otherwise there's another approach that you could follow, and what's that? You can use the end points of diameter. If you observe, this angle is 90 degree, right? So a chord of the circle, this particular chord of the circle will actually be a diameter, since it is obtaining an angle of 90 degree at the circumference. Yes, so you can use diameter form of the circle, which says x minus a, x minus 0 plus y minus 0, y minus b, which gives me x square plus y square minus ax minus by equals 0. That will be the equation. That's the answer in simple terms. But using this particular approach, what will you get, right? NCERT people don't talk about the diametrical form, right? So let's follow this kind of a direct approach and see where does that take us. This is a circle and we have point 0, 0 lying on this. So what will that give me? This tells me that h square plus k square is equal to r square. This is one thing. Then the point 0, b also lies on this. This tells me h square plus b minus k square is equal to r square. That's the second equation. Then a, 0 also lies on this. This tells me that a minus h square plus k square is equal to r square. So I have three equations and I have three unknowns h and k. Okay, let's number these equations. This is 1, 2 and 3. What next? So I have r square throughout. Can I eliminate r square easily by subtracting, let us say 1 and 2 and 2 and 3, or maybe by equating 1 and 2. So from 1 and 2, what do I get? I see that h square plus k square is also equal to h square plus b minus k square. Do you observe this? Yes. This is equal to this. Since r square are equal, this tells me that this gets cancelled. K square is equal to b square plus k square minus 2 kb, and k square also gets cancelled. This tells me that k will be equal to b by, just a minute, k here in the left hand side. This 2kb, and what I'll have to do is b square divided by 2b will give me the value of k. This is b upon 2. Okay, using 1 and 2. So similarly, let's use 2 and 3. 1 and 3, let's say. 1 and 3. What does that give me? Using 1 and 3, this tells me that h square plus k square will be equal to what? H square plus k square is equal to a minus h square plus k square. The k square gets cancelled. Similarly, h square in the next step will get cancelled. And this goes, what I'll get is h equals a by 2. This is what you get, right? 2h upon a square. 2h equal to h, a square implies h equal to a by 2. K is already b by 2, h is been found, and what else? Therefore, using equation 1, I can also find r square, which is equal to a square upon 4 plus b square upon 4. Is that simple? Yes, that's pretty simple. You can observe that h square plus k square. This is the value of r square. Therefore, equation of circle. Oh, we found the equation of circle using diametric form as well. Yes, but now we'll verify that. And what does that give me? This is x minus h. H is a by 2 squared plus y minus k, y minus b by 2 squared is equal to r square, which is a square plus b square upon 4. This is what you get, right? Let's rearrange this a bit. This is x square. There will be a y square coming from here. This is minus 2 a by 2, which is a x. Similarly, minus bx. This is a square by 4, b square by 4, which will get cancelled, and what you will get is this. That's the final answer for this 13th question, as you can see over here.